you guys are in for a treat today. We're going to make some strawberry lemon blondies. Okay. I'm going to start out by sifting my flour. I like to do this, that way we don't have excess lumps in here, and it's lighter and fluffier and just easier to work with. And I'll toss these. Okay, and let me get my sugar. Okay, I'm going to set this aside, and then I'm going to start on my butter. Okay, we've got that pretty well mixed up. Now we're going to add the egg to it. There we go. Now I did preheat my oven to 350. I'm going to add my lemon juice. Now guys, don't worry about trying to figure out how much of what I'm using. I will put all the ingredients and instructions in the description. I'm going to stir my strawberries into my sugar and flour. Okay, I'm going to mix them up and get them coated. Now, Mom always told me if you get them coated, everything won't sink to the bottom, and you have all your fruit in one spot. I've not Googled that or challenged that. I just do it because my mama told me to. So now we're going to mix our wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Stir it up really good. What is your favorite thing to do with strawberries? I really honestly don't know because I like so many things. I like cakes, pies, cobblers, preserves, dumplings. So, why don't you guys tell me what you like to do best? And just go ahead and stir this up and get it mixed up, and then we'll be ready to go in the pan here in just a couple of minutes. Okay. Guys, this does take a while to stir up, I'll be honest with you. I've been stirring this for 3 or 4 minutes, at least. As you can tell, it is a very, very thick batter. Definitely not like a cake batter. But I have a 9x9 pan with parchment paper. We're going to put our batter in here. Spread it out evenly after we straighten the parchment up. That's okay, guys. This is real life here. I dare say a lot of you have had parchment crumble when you're putting something in it. If you have not, then you're definitely a professional. But you can see those beautiful berries in there. spread this out. Okay. Like I say, I have my oven preheated to 350, and I'm going to put this in there. Depending on how fast your oven bakes, 30 to 35 minutes, and then we'll bring it out. Okay. I just took these out of the oven. They've started to brown along the edges, crack and pull away. But guys, we are going to do a test in the middle. Okay, there we go. I'm not sure how well you can see that, but there's little crumbs on there. So it's done. We definitely don't want to overbake it or it'll dry out. Okay, we need to let this cool for a little bit, and after it cools, we'll put our glaze on. The strawberry lemon blondies have been out of the oven for, 10 minutes or so. They're cooling pretty well. They're still warm, but that's okay. We're going to go ahead and make the glaze to go on there. I have powdered sugar. I'm just going to sift it. Do you guys sift your flour and sugar and powdered sugar before you use it? I prefer it that way. Not everybody does. Next up, we got to make a strawberry puree to go in the glaze. I have 3 of the larger strawberries. I have them in my mini food processor, and I'm just going to whirl this around until they are pulverized. I'm going to give them a little bit of help. I'm going to put the lemon juice in with the strawberries rather than in with the powdered sugar. So let's go ahead and measure out our lemon juice. We need a tablespoon. What we want to do is scrape the sides down because we still have a few chunks on there. Chunks are fine whenever you're making something as far as in the batter or the dough, but whenever you have a glaze. Personally, I like it to be smooth. Okay, I'm going to take the chopper out. We'll dump all that strawberry glaze into our powdered sugar. And then we're going to mix until we get to a good consistency. Let me move this out of the way so I've got a little bit of workspace. Just stir this glaze up. Have you guys ever made a strawberry glaze before? If you have, let me know in the comments. As you can tell, if you haven't, it's super easy to make. You just have to stir, stir, stir. That just smells so good. I cannot wait to get into that. And you could use a whisk, and you would have less of the little powdered sugar blobs in there, but those I don't mind. I think we've got that just about as mixed up as what we can. Now this could be a little cooler when you put it on here, but I happen to be impatient today. I've waited all day for this. So I'm going to put my glaze on while it's still a little warm. I like to do it this way myself. That way I think it spreads better. But that's just a personal opinion or personal preference. Okay. Now this will firm up as it cools, but guys, I'm going to go right ahead while this is nice and warm and get in there for a taste. Plenty of glaze. So, here we go. That is wonderful. It tastes the strawberries, the lemon. To me, it tastes more like a shortcake than a Blondie, but it's really good. You guys really should give this a try. It's not super sweet, so it's not overwhelming with sugar like a lot of desserts are. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like it, share it with your friends, share it in all your groups, and I'll see you on that next video.